Good man. I didn't put it to that thing. Should not have been made.
We are going. Pretty ivory, you are going. You see, when the things then come to me, I have to come deliver them, you see me? You see, something we go on, you know, and then we see it, and then we make it seasoning. You see me, I mean? God, you see when they touch pretty, yeah, this is a pretty, I can call it pretty. We have some other situation. Because, remember, you know, this surround sister foot, you know. Remember, you see auntie foota? This is a topic here for your goods. It's a goods.
This is different.
Remember, you know, over there, you know, bro, God, you come in under there. Mr. Good as you come and you make up beer nice. Good as you bought you on son of my bird. You dance all along good. Say it about it. When you look, all this you want everybody internet. Confused that with my man or woman. And the curvy diva take off dress over blood clot LGBT dance. Coffee just like man. And that me come about, you know. And that me come. Coffee just like. Coffee just like man. 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 Coffee just. I saw a blood clot mongrel come and go on, you know. Mr. saw a blood clot mongrel come and make be a blood clot nice. Coffee, 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 oh, coffee, coffee, coffee just like man, coffee just like man, coffee is soda, coffee. Me know I remember when the blood clot chihuahua, he come with the one piece of blood clot back in. Who don't remember? Me say the blood clot chihuahua. Coffee, coffee just like man. Coffee. Everything a coffee. Coffee just like man. Coffee a sodomite. Dance style, chaka chaka. Dirty this. Remember, you know? The blood clot girl make history think mouth. Think mouth. Water mouth. Blood clot foota. Water mouth foota. You mouth come like when blood clot falling. You mouth water like blood clot peer where people don't like buying. When they bossy peer, they want the blood clot disappear, your water. Your blood clot mouth water. Bloody mouth. You know, sister, a history mama make right now. What's your artist? That's for reason. What talking? We're fully bad there now still. I wish we're fully bad there in our Grammy now. You see me? I wish number fame number if you call still in our Grammy. Yes, sister foota. Mr. Blood Clot, the chaka thinking about blood clot foota. Wish by your heart is there. Chaka thinking froze the blood clot mouth. Water, bumbo clot, brand, spread off, bumbo clot, pocket mouth boy. Wish by for your heart is there. Which part in the Grammy for your artist there? Which number? Which by what film when nominated? When nomination there? Remember our history we broke now in a 19 in a reggae, you know, the youngest 19, the youngest in a reggae history, you know. If go up against it. And she a win to Watermouth. She a go win to Watermouth. Foota your mouth water like your mouth big and broad like heel back. Chatty mouth. You see when you get chatty mouth, big broad thinking mouth, think mouth. You see, think mouth. Thinking mouth. Let me show you something. Think mouth. Chaka bumbo clad idiot frozen thinking mouth. You me at that. Janko. You see how you love blood clot, come put your mouth on people? We for your blood clot artist there. We fully pad there. When the blood clot $20 worth of scallion there, where in there? When the blood clot $20 worth of pussy clot scallion there, where in there? Eh? Chaka water bumbo clot peer mouth. Wish for your bumbo clot artist there. Eh? Koffe was just like Koffe not changing dressing in a think mode. Me know why you congratulate blood clot. Me know why you congratulate Koffe. You don't have nothing to say out of your thinking chaka water peer mode. Don't say nothing out of your peer mode. Keep your CM energy. Brogan. Keep your CM bumbo clot energy, Brogan. Keep your energy. You see CM energy where it have? Chaka mode. Think more. You see CM energy where you did have? Keep it. That's CM energy. Hold on for that energy there and let's roll it back so. Because it was just like girl and a sucker food and a sing about in a win a Grammy, you know. Make a reason. All of who you rate foota, none of them now win no blood clot Grammy, they not even get nominated. Foota, everybody where you rate, just notice that they not get no blood clot Grammy. You see, everybody where you not rate, at them a win. So you know why problem? You chat too much. You are the problem. You water mouth to Lego. See, Perry? Chatty mouth. Hear what me I tell you say. And you are the problem. Notice that you have a problem with this, that, and them the people are win, you are lose, and everybody where you rate, them are lose. Now with no Grammy. Now get nominated, now nothing. All the way you rate. All the way you stand for, now with no Grammy, now with nothing. A chattings you work with. Remember, Sir John, look what is about dancehall. Where you want to get out of dancehall? If you don't get to the stage, you go play a broken and broken. Remember, say an artist. You run to your vlogging, you know. You vlogging, but viral king, but you are a selector. You're a selector. You're no blood class selector. You surprise me. You surprise me and many others. Because your selector turned to viral king. Me I wonder, brother, love you vlogging. Me catch up with you a lot because you chat too much. And you chatting a film thing, bro. God. Me make money if I chatting. Go play a tune, man. Me tell you this now, auntie, hear this, hold this. You feel hold a blood clot selector corner. The chatting a film thing. And that many a man for bro God, me no play in a dance. That a fear thing. What a lane, bro God, what a lane, man. What a lane, man. It chatting, you don't see say vlog and then they have a chat already. We are chat. Can't tired, leg up big. Mouth open like blood clot, hot bang. Nah, lock. Left it chatting, man. Oh, hey, go suck your woman come off of my life and lick up my body hole. Yeah, your man blood clot ugly like me can't go own him as my blood clot, man. Yeah. Man must not left on the blood clot earth for me if you come take up a chatty blood clot. Yeah, like that and call it my man. Yeah, idiot. So the whole of the sound on the blood clot sodomite, but you know what they with that the blood clot butch there. Oh, the whole of the sound on the blood clot lesbian, but you know what they with that the Lilliputian there. Oh, the sound on the lesbian, but you don't find them chatty blood clot girl pit me and attractive. I want to fuck them. Move! Thinking molly dog, come out from my life shit house. You frozen and think like, hey, move over, thinking more. Move over me like drunk girl. Come off! Oh, shit house. What a piece of shit like that? What a fucking piece of shit like that? Huh? Go roll up underneath your mama like Whistler, mama. Mama, go foul up underneath your mama like a Whistler and a bumbuck like $100 cut up with fine with grandma. Go foul up in your mama. Mama, me say, anyone now look at thinking about blood clot, cloud chasing, thinking girl finding blood clot attractive and a lesbian. Pooh! And come on with bumbuck like drunker. What me pity in your foot? Me not pit there, me done. Alright, me done. You better hold that. You better look at the community the way it is up. Because the way you want chucking at this blood clot for them, I think my screen can hold me. I have black hair, I like cuss shit house them, eh? When you hear me on my live attack, if you don't want to hear, come on. Go foul up in your mama. Like one blood clot, blow up mattress. Go foul up in your thinking mama. Good. You see, great? Yeah. Right, you know. Koffe win Grammy, you know. I win mama with mama. Hey. History. You think history done it? Me no give a fuck who are going to talk about the blood clot frozen Marley, them but from the Marley they in that category, them a win. The Marley them move them bumbo clot, mean thinking blood clot for yourself. The Marley them do nothing for Jamaica. I mean he set a pussy hole them ever buck up on life. The people them with the blood clot vote for the Marley them a must be because they hear say them put on them blood clot Bob Marley. Eh? Hey, girl, what will life? I'm tired down and break me from my topic. So, for you know, hold no order, I'm going to get for the lift up. From a hold up, made up, sissy, and I hold no order, I lift you up from my life, you see me? Yo, move up here, so, I prance, you know. You see me? From once, me hold down, made up, say I violate, me I lift you up. You see me, I deal with? Yeah, man, me I breeze you. You see me, I deal with? Me I breeze you for my life, man. Breeze you out of my life. You see me breeze out of my space. Just breeze you. You see me just hold a black and go suck out your mother. You see pray? Hold a black, chuck up, flick up and foul up in your mama. You see pray? Yeah, quick and fast. Nobody asks. Straight. You see pray? Yeah. So, right now, when you see blood clot people talk about Koffe now go win because they thinking frozen Marley then they funny move. Marley, move in a bumbo clan. We don't listen to no. Real Jamaican people do not listen to no blood clot. Tell them. Tell the fucking Yankee them. Why buy you look at chaka chaka easy at music? Who don't do a bad like no father, none at all. Who don't look at brother did I get look a hype for with Junior gang. Himself, him soul and body hole, you know. You allow the blood clot to live over on a pupa name. We no blood clot 1 year, none of them, none of who song them even play in a dance hall, no way. Which one of the Marley they have one song play, no way at all. People are going to vote for blood clot Koffe. Koffe a running place. Everybody know a Koffe. When you see them and say, you know, fuck that, all I know I can talk about blood clot, Marley this, Marley blood clot that, fuck all a blood clot that. Nobody listen to Frozen Marley them, my friend. The Frozen Marley never live off of them daddy name. Because none of them music now play no blood clot way. When last you see somebody a vibe to one of Bob Marley son them? Never. When they hear who the boy did come out and say, the fucking song them where you know Junior gang used to sing. This and that and say, I know big. So right now, this is Koffe tune. Koffe are winning blood clot Grammy, but you blood clot, big fat sour thinking black car tire, good ear looking bumbo hole foota hype. Auntie thinking pussy foota. You me attack. You have a problem with every blood clot body where I get them body hole fuck out or suck out. You have a problem if a girl dressed in a pants or before skirt. You have a problem with everything. Oh, you feel now if you know you have a problem with the same like a girl who are going to win Grammy now. For your artist where the fuck girl and I do this and I do that, where am I win? Nothing, right? Everybody where you have a fucking problem with, notice that them a win, you a lose. Remember say everybody where you rate them a lose. Them a lose and who you not rate are always attack and run up your like a thinking blood clot. Pure water mouth, bumbo clot, them a win. Notice. The people them where you hate always a win. And who you a bring ever lose. Just notice that. Always notice. Shut up your chaka chaka water, pure mouth, man. Shut up your chaka chaka mouth. Dirty girl. You a bitch. You need to shut up, man. You see me? When it come on to LGBT talk, who are just like man and who are just like girl, low it out, so good. So good. Low it out now. Bumbuckler body president, LGBT blood clot protester, wall it down now, so good. Them a move past you, so good. You big bumbleclad water, chaka chaka bumbleclad, big long bumbleclad back pocket mouth. Get up every day. But who a sodomite to a Batman, them a win and you lose. Fuck pussy same way. And do what you do. Nobody in a business with you. But you business with everybody will win. You take up a chatting for your head, yeah? You're no longer selector of the dancehall, you're a viral king. Shut your bumbleclad selector chaka chaka mouth. Go play some music in a dancehall and shut up your pussy clad mouth. Load the flag into the people and want flag. You're not selector, brother. Shut up your bumbleclad mouth, brother. Let it chatting to me, brother. You can't chat more than me, brother. You can't chat more than me, brother. Brother, you can't chat more than me, my youth. Yeah, bitch, bro. Dog, you can't chat more than me, brother. You can't chat more than me, dad. Me have it chatting, and I make little money if I chatting. Low, we make little money if I chatting, man. I'm going to play a dance, I'm going to play a dance, brother. Ball out for selector work, them, man. Pussy clot, you know how you making a play a song, brother. Make him man go play some bumbleclad song in I dance all them, man. You do not book him, brother. Tired of chatting, man. Shut the fuck up, brother. Shut up, man. Dirty girl like you ever just get up and a chat like bumbleclad bitch. And so we know say you a snitch. Everybody argument here tonight. As a batty argument come up for your name come up. Why has one batty argument come up your name of your name? Why? So till I me as a batty man set out voice notes, so them go ring out your batty wall like wet rag. Them go crystallize out the wall and the blood lining in your batty wall. Them see so every batty argument here tonight as a selector. Brother who know hire him, man. Everybody argument, man. Alright, we don't see that like batty man now. Come out with being face now. Black all away. Black all fucking we, brother. We don't want to be your fucking friend. You don't see your pussy clot ugly. Your bumbleclad head big like one tire to pussy clot. Like you soon jump a bumbleclad gun tumblebug. Big bumbleclad tumblebug, you idiot. See little girl win Grammy then I was so good. Man go and go suck out your parents. If them busy go suck out your cousin them. Yeah. What the blood clot there, my friend? Anti-blood clot foota every time I see you, you know. I have to know see I just one trending batty boy, you know. You know me not like batty man none at all, you know. You see pray. Yeah man, the boy can batty up my surrounding, my friend. You don't know that. No batty boy and a sodomite not come in my yard, man.